Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to wake screen when you receive notification in itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, go to display. Okay, click display, and okay guys, here in display, okay, you can see below the ambient display. And okay guys, you only have to do is go to ambient display. And okay guys, here, okay, you can see the new notification. Okay, wake screen when you receive notification. Okay, to wake this screen, okay, you only have to do is enable the switch button. And okay guys, now your screen as wake when you receive notification in your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.